seeds. What a pretty boy. What a pretty boy. There's lots of seeds there. Do you want me to put them up higher? Okay. I'll put them up higher. Yeah. He has the cats. Okay. I understand. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a minute though. It takes time to do all that. Yeah. I know, winter's coming on. You gotta fill your belly up. Get chubby. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be cold out. Yeah, okay. The cats won't bother you anyway. Where's your babies? Where's the babies? Yeah. I hear ya. Is the dish out? Okay, I'll come see here. Just doing a little bit of groceries here, but I'll come see what's going on here. Yeah, I'm coming right now. Yeah.